Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to send voice messages on the Discord. So how you can avail this feature. Watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Play Store application, and after that you have to search for the Discord right here, and here you will see update button. Just click on it. Once your Discord will be updated, simply go back and open your Discord, and after that you have to select the friend to whom you want to send a message. Like I click right here, then simply here you will see mic icon on the right mid. Just tap on it and record your voice. Once you will do it, your voice message will be sent to that person. So this is the simple way to send voice messages on the Discord. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.